Hi guys, I'm Chloe from Brit and Co. I am so excited to talk to you. Thanks for chatting with me.
Thank you.
Hi, Chloe.
Hello.
I love this movie so much.
Thank
And
you.
yes, congratulations. And
Thanks.
one thing that made me feel really seen is just the idea of like going home and suddenly running into everyone you've ever met who you haven't
Yes.
seen in so long. Do each of you have a piece of advice for viewers who might be in that position and are about to run into a ton of people from their past lives?
Good
Ooh.
question.
I don't know if it's so much advice, but what I always get a kick out of or like is I don't know. I mean, I've told people that I've had childhood crushes on that I didn't tell at the time.
You go
Hey,
see
by
me
the
back.
way, I had a huge crush on you. And it's so fun to like say the thing that you've never maybe said to someone that you've always
Yeah.
wanted to. So I don't know if you can find, I mean, that's fun to me. I would
That
say
is,
maybe do that.
yeah,
If you
for
can
sure.
find like an old crush that you never express your feelings to, even if it's just for like the fun of it.
Declare yourself.
Yeah, declare
Declare yourself.
yourself.
Yeah, I think going and seeing a bunch of people you haven't seen in a while. I think try on something new. Try on a
Hmm.
new, bring up a new music you're listening to. Wear a bold shirt. Just try
Mm.
on something new. When you're coming home from college, I remember going back to my small town from college, and I was trying out new clothes. I was trying out new phrases. I was
Yeah.
testing things out, seeing what people liked and didn't like.
Yeah, they don't know what's
They don't
going
know who you are
on.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think have
Yeah.
fun. Just go in and try to
Hmm.
be somebody new if you want.
New, the opposite would be old,
Yeah.
right? Mhm. Um, and I think I like going back and like doing a lot of like the old things I grew up doing with like the old friends that, left the Bay or stayed in the Bay. And that's special when you go back and just treat it like no time went by at all.
Yeah.
Do the same old little traditions. That's fun, man. I like doing that.
Mm.
That's
Yes. Oh my gosh, I love that.
Sounds like
And
a good trip home.
yeah,
Yeah.
honestly,
Yeah.
I'm writing the itinerary in my brain right now.
Oh, let's
yeah.
go.
So, Sweethearts is definitely the perfect like holiday season cozy watch. And I have to know if the three of you have a go-to cozy watch when you need all the good feels.
Totally.
Boo.
100% step up.
Nice.
Mm,
Excellent.
good
Nice.
one.
Mhm.
Trying to think of what mine is.
Or the Harry Potters.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, my childhood.
Those are very warm movies. They are.
Yeah,
Harry Potter. It's the
cozy.
candles.
Oh, oh
Yeah,
my
it's the
God. The
uniforms.
thrill of it all.
Yeah, those are cozy
Yeah,
movies.
the meals, the
Um,
dining hall. I love I love an ensemble. I love like Love Actually, Valentine's Day, New Year's Eve.
Hmm.
Those kind of big movies are so cozy to me.
Yeah.
Love those. Bridesmaids also like always if it's ever on, I will watch it. The
we
Hangover I'll
The
always watch.
Hangover.
Yeah.
We just came up in our last interview, but
Yeah.
I'm rewatching The Breakup 2006, starring Vince
Okay.
Vaughn and Jennifer Aniston.
Yeah.
Incredible film. Not enough people are talking about it. Should have frankly had Oscar buzz. An iconic Chicago film. There's a whole canon of Chicago films.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that, Blues Brothers, My Best Friend's Wedding.
Hmm.
Those are very comforting to me. But yeah, The Breakup 2006, great movie.
Oh, the Scooby Doo's, dude.
Oh.
Scooby-Doo, yeah.
Yes. Excellent. Excellent choices. And Kiernan, you're basically famous at this point for starting cast group chats. So I have to
Oh no.
ask
Oh my God.
if y'all have a group chat or how did you kind
Oh
of
yeah.
bond once you all joined the project?
Oh, we have a group chat. We have
Good.
probably four.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
I
have.
would say they sort of, well, it's that thing where we have so many people. There's like one hero bigger group chat that I think is like eight people. And I think it's called Via Carrot because it was via Carota. It was like a play on Via Carota, right? And isn't it someone was like, oh, I'm gonna get there via Carrot?
Something
And
like that.
I think it still might be Via Carota or Via Carrot. I don't
Yeah.
know which one.
That one's a big one though, yeah.
That's a
But
big one, yeah.
but then it's that thing of like I feel like it's me, Caleb, Neeks, Jordan, and Dan, but we all have one group chat where like one person is in
Yeah.
there, or we have a smaller one, so we maybe have like
Yeah.
four other.
And then there's just the three of us.
Yeah.
It's called Friends or Life.
Yep, Friends are Life
Yeah.
is the three of us. That's for sure.
Sweet.
Sweethearts is, I mean, there's a lot. There's a lot going on.
There's a ton of group chats.
I'm gonna accidentally
Did
text
you
the wrong
start a
one.
wall?
Oh, I feel maybe, probably.
Jordan's also a big
Jordan is great.
group chat stuff.
Yeah.
Great on the group chats.
Yeah.
Love that. And I can only imagine, based on how much I was laughing during the movie, that y'all were cracking up between takes and on set. Can you kind of
During
talk
takes.
about bringing, during takes too, can you talk about bringing those scenes and that connection to life? And also, I'm curious if there's anything memorable that didn't make it into the film.
Oh, that's a good question. Did
I've got one of mine.
Oh, really?
I always remember the improv that doesn't get in.
Yeah.
And I improvised a lot in the scene where I'm pouring the drinks
Oh,
and talking
yeah.
about Ernest Hemingway.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of stuff in there that was like too dark about his suicide.
No.
That I really
Oh,
I
no.
was having a blast that night. A lot of it didn't make it in. That was one of mine. But I mean, God, there were so many funny moments on set. We were constantly cracking up. I feel like we were hanging out in Video Village just to watch each other's scenes.
Yeah.
Like I was leaving a scene of mine and going immediately just to watch y'all do your scenes.
Completely.
Yeah.
Completely.
And laughing so hard that we had to like muffle it so you don't ruin sound.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I could hear a lot of people laughing when I was getting peed on. I remember like the room across was just everyone was Giggle City the whole movie. It was really fun. There's one line that got cut that I was so there's at the end of when we're like fighting because your car is gone and you're like, oh, should we like take the the bus or whatever? And I go, what are we, tween runaways? It was a Carrie O'Donnell wrote that punch up. Yeah. And I always loved that line so much, and I was sad it didn't make it in.
Yeah, we had a bunch of stuff in that scene that we got outs for, right?
Yeah.
It was a funny one, and we had like a very funny, sweet crew.
Oh,
everybody on the crew was such a character.
Amazing.
Like it was just a blast. Everyone was giggling.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes, I love that. And final question, when I was prepping for this conversation, I saw that Caleb, your Instagram bio says that you have perfect opinions, which I love. And so I have to end by asking the three of you what your hottest take is for the holidays.
Gosh.
Hottest take.
Hottest take for the holidays.
Is that like a so true one, kind of?
I guess that's kind of like a so true, yeah. Hottest take for specifically holidays got me.
Mm-hmm. Or not holidays if you have like a separate random hill that you would die on.
Oh, okay. You know what? Okay. Run this too. Print this and run this video.
Okay, Britton, go.
Turkey trots. Thanksgiving is not for a 5K.
Agreed.
Sit your ass on the couch
Agreed.
and eat that food. I hate a family that goes on a run together. You people are psychopaths. I think you should be. I think these should be banned. And if I were in charge, I would say no running on Thanksgiving. Do every other day of the year. Good Lord, that really ticks me off, Chloe.
I think that's perfect. I think that is a perfect opinion.
A perfect opinion.
Can I riff on it for a minute?
Wish you would.
I think if you're to do anything on Thanksgiving, which again, I'm not gonna be, but like if you're doing anything, I feel like strength training would be way better because all that food is gonna like go to building actual muscle. I think the turkey trot, the idea behind it is so just like, I don't know, we could get into some tricky troubling disorder territory there.
Yeah.
In a way where like if you want to like get some strength and power, like I don't know. I think we're gonna do any workout on Thanksgiving. Again, not my choice. Do a strength.
That was beautiful.
Do
Kiernan.
a strength training workout.
Beautiful.
That would be my
Turkey
answer.
trot.
You don't know it?
No, I do. It's just not it.
It's not right.
No, you bring it up and I'm like, damn, that actually sounds terrible.
You can do a turkey pump.
Turkey
pump.
I am putting a turkey pump.
Turkey pump.
I think we should be turkey pumping and not turkey trotting.
Yeah. Put up the backyard, do some bench press out there. Why
Absolutely, sure. Grow the glutes. I mean,
grow the glutes.
A lot of people are
turkey yoga.
Hungover on Thanksgiving, from the night before.
Because that Wednesday hits hard.
Yeah.
I'm saying sleep in, but if you want to do something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a big Thanksgiving nap gal.
Yes.
That's because you're real, Chloe. We can feel that through the screen.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, thank you guys so much for chatting with me, and congratulations on this movie. Everybody is going to love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Have a good
Nice
one.
to meet you too.
See ya.